In this video, I'll show you how you can remove textures in Roblox, and this is basically how you can do it. First, you want to come down here, search for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location, find the Roblox player again and open file location. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is press on view, check this box file name extensions, just like this, and then you want to right click, new, make a folder and call it client settings with a capital C and capital S, just like this. Just make it bigger so you can see it. Client settings. Then you want to open up that one, and from in here you want to right click, new, and make a text document and write it exactly like this. Client app settings, capital C, capital A, capital S, .json. It needs to be a JSON file. Then you want to open it and copy exactly this code that I'm gonna put in the pinned comment down below. So copy this, put it in, save it, and then launch your Roblox. Then when you launch it, you'll see that the textures are missing, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.